Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by lifting the car safely and stabilizing it. This prevents movement while you work. Once raised, you inspect the sway bar, end links, and bushings closely for play, cracks, or missing hardware, because small looseness is the usual rattle source. You should also free any seized bolts with penetrating oil. This saves time when you remove parts. Make sure to record which fasteners you remove and their orientation, since correct reassembly prevents new noises and maintains steering geometry. Once done with inspection, you unbolt the end links and sway bar brackets to access the bushings. This lets you see hidden wear. You clean mating surfaces with a wire brush and solvent so new parts sit flush. Debris causes vibration and rattle. If bushings are cracked, deformed, or more than 1/10 flattened, replace them. New bushings restore damping. Make sure to lubricate per manufacturer guidance. Some use grease. Others require anti-seize, because the wrong compound causes slipping or future noise. You reinstall the sway bar, brackets, and links carefully, following the original order. Torque every fastener to factory specification. This prevents under or over-tightening that causes noise or failure. After lowering, you perform a low-speed test drive and listen for any remaining rattle, then recheck torque points. If noise persists, isolate the source by using cardboard or a pry bar to detect contact points. Try swapping suspected components, and inspect nearby chassis mounts, because sometimes the rattle transfers from adjacent parts rather than the sway bar itself.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.